The Natalie Show, 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 the Natalie Show.
Today on the Non-Stop Natalie Show.
Don't worry, there's one on the bird feeder, see?
Guys, I'm gonna go see it because she keeps just flying away from me. I just wanna go see it. I got a jet.
It's okay, he's yelling at you now, hear him? Look at the birdhouse over there, see? He went in there. He's one of our birds. See that birdhouse right next to the shed? Yeah, they're living in that birdhouse. Aww. See it? It's probably...
Guys, when birds come to our house, they gotta dig for worms in the grass. And you move because you're right with unicycle.
That's not a unicycle. You know what that is? That's a tricycle because it's got 3 wheels. Try.
And I'm gonna go around. I'll meet you today, guys. I'm here.
Let me see your nails. Wow, those are pretty.
I can show you my toenails too.
I like your Jojo Siwa slippers.
Yeah, I'm taking them off.
Wow, they look nice.
Yeah,
Oh, look at the birds are in their little house. See them over there?
Oh yeah.
Watch. They're going in and out.
I need to ride my tricycle like this because it's better. I see you going behind there.
And Angel's always so nice to the birds and to the animals. Nobody gives her... She doesn't give them problems. They don't give her problems. You want some of those shoes for yourself?
Angel!
No.
No.
You gotta clean them out.
Oh yeah.
Wow, they're all eating now.
Yeah. I'm gonna go walk up to them.
No, because you're scaring them. You can talk to them though.
Hi, baby. I love birds because they're too adorable. Grandma gave me this back to my house because let me show you on the side. It says no brakes.
You're right. It does say no brakes.
But this is the brakes.
Yeah, just don't drive fast, right?
I do. I like you guys. I love you, Grandma Roberto.
And who else?
Grandma Lemire and Sophie, I love you all. I can't stop talking. I can't go to the camera. And I want to play. And I really want to play Minecraft on my mom's phone, but when she's done with her Avon business, get it?
Yeah, because today's order day. You know
I
how that is,
actually-
guys. Got to get my orders in.
Actually, I got so many racks here. Look, Grandma Roberto came over like, how many days ago?
A few days ago.
Yeah, and she found this pretty rock. It's so gorgeous. Let me count these out, okay? So you can know how many are here. 29.
Wow, that's good. You got a lot of rocks.
And I'm gonna go back over there when we end the video, but not yet because this is where I collected the rocks at. In here.
Oh, in your basket.
Yeah, this bike just wobbles like my bike by Grandma Roberto's.
Except this is a baby's bike. We have to,
Yeah. I can
clean it up and
Yeah.
maybe sell it or give it away to one of the little kids in the neighborhood, right? Wouldn't that be nice?
But I can ride this. Watch. I'm wearing no shoes right now. Let me check inside my house if there's like a honeycomb. I'm just checking, guys.
Yeah, because bees love to leave nests in Natalie's.
I see it!
Is it in there?
Yeah, I found one. Let me show you. Right there. Zoom in for you guys. Right there. It's right there, guys. Be careful, guys. I'm just checking around in here. Bees sting my daddy. And Dad got the door back up. We will see you later.
Oh, the Natalie Show, 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 the Natalie Show.
Guys, I'm really nonstop.